Mabuhay! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maligayang pagdiriwang na ika-35 anibersaryo ng Win-Sq World International Ministries. Kami po ay nagagalak na makasama kayo sa espesyal na okasyon nito, Pamana, 35 taon ng paglilingkod.
So this banquet tonight that we all enjoy serves as a reminder of the legacy that we are called to leave behind for our next generation. So may this legacy of faith, hope, and love in Jesus begins with us, in our families, that will radiate to our friends and our community. Amen. So together, let us give God the glory for the past 35 years. So brothers and sisters, let us continue to serve God with all our hearts. God bless you all.
At Ginoo ngayong gabi. Ginoong Allen Demery.
Church has remained faithful to its mission to be like the Antioch Church of Asia that connects people to God and inspires leaders to serve. We have remained grounded in the Word and committed to touching the lives in our community and beyond.
To our dear leaders and members, and everyone who has dedicated their time, their resources and talents to building this family, we honor you.
Cheers!